What's happening YouTube? This is Brian916. Thanks for tuning in. Welcome back to the channel. So I'm taking a break from some of the repair videos that I've been doing, and I want to do a tool review for you guys. This particular tool happens to be a snap-on tool. Many of you guys who watch my videos know that I'm not the biggest advocate for snap-on tools for the obvious reasons that their tools are extremely overpriced. But I do believe this particular snap-on tool that I'm about to show you is a great addition and a fantastic tool for any technician to have in his tool set. So let's go over here and take a look at this particular snap-on tool. Okay guys, so this is the particular tool that I'm recommending by Snap-on. Inside this pouch is basically broken bolt extractors, and these are like non-breakable, if you will, bolt extractors or broken bolt extractors. So it's a solid piece of steel, and it's basically just twisted right here at the tip for you to be able to just hammer this into the hole that you drilled and twist it out without having to break one of these off inside the hole you just drilled. So anyone who's ever used these spiral style bolt extractors know that these could be somewhat dangerous. You want to buy the best quality that you can, but from my experience, these spiral style broken bolt extractors can be somewhat dangerous, and they do break off quite a bit. So I highly recommend you guys to pick this set up when dealing with broken bolts, especially bolts that's seized in there pretty hard. You don't have to worry about breaking it off. So I'm going to demo using this. Let's go take a look. You can see I already have a hole here, and I drilled this hole in a different video. I'm just going to demo using one of these. So never worry about breaking off one of those spiral style extractors again. If you pick
so that was a quick little demonstration. You can see how effective this tool would be. You can put a massive amount of torque on it and don't have to worry about breaking this off inside of the bolt. So like the title says, guys, sometimes you just gotta buy a snap-on. So Brian916, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.